Well, that's bad news. We got a leak under the toilet coming from these bolts here that look yucky. Gonna take a project, but we're ready to start. Right, Hannah?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Here's our tools of destruction. First things first, water off. There we go. And then get rid of all the water that's in there with a flush. Anna, would you check for me? Take the lid off. Oh, we got to do a little sponging yet. Be right back. Well, those are pretty rusty. They've got stalagmites for bolts. Got to get those out. That's what happens. They rust. Supposed to be brass. Brass well, they're not brass. And it's all going to be in that hose. I'm hoping I'll just get that hose up.
Yeah.
Now, I should be able to take this baby off. And there's the business end.
Beauty.
Took off the old washer, I guess you call it. Replaced it. It was recommended, and thank God to YouTube. So,
Yeah.
put that one on. And with any luck, we'll be back and running in a few minutes. I hope so, because I gotta pee. Now I gotta get that seated properly.
Mm-hmm.
Or else it'll leak. Yeah. Wish I'd have looked at it more when I took it off to see if I put it on right. Turn it back to water on. See what happens. Now, any good plumber would say just turn on a little bit and stop it and look for leaks. I'm not a good plumber.
But we're doing our best.
We're doing our best. That's right. Won't see any leaks. A little more later. We'll give it some more water. It's alive!
Yay!
Success! No leaks. Once again, Mr. Bummer the Plumber saves the world.
Saves the world.